Did you know that somewhere deep within the chronicles of myth, there exists a tale of the fountain of youth? Legends tell of an enchanted spring that restores youth to anyone who drinks from its waters. In the 16th century, Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de León reportedly set sail, driven by whispers of this miraculous source. But here's an unexpected twist. He never found it. Some say this quest was fabricated by later historians. But what if the fountain was never meant to be found? Consider the indigenous tales of Bimini, a locale in the Bahamas allegedly harboring the fountain. Could it be real, hidden from our grasp by time and lost truths? Or is it merely a metaphor for our perpetual yearning for eternal life? Whether fact or fable, the allure of reclaiming lost youth continues to captivate minds across generations. So, what do you believe?